Hello, Dave here. Welcome to another video. I'm in Hartlepool. Come across this wonderful building. It's a theatre, town hall theatre. But what can I say? It's a pre-reset building. Hang on, just let this chap get by. What I mean by that is the date on there's 1897, I think, the build date. I would think the build date will be 100 or 200 years prior to that. What I call old red brick buildings. They're from pre-Victorian times, regardless of what the history books say. It's absolutely stunning in its detail. The towers, you know, you have the symmetry both sides. You know, lovely tower that side. You move across. There's another one there with its antenna there. You have the two towers on the main structure here. One there, one there. Then you have what I call the capacitors on the top there. The little devils up there. I will be taking some still pictures, so you can have a look at them at the end. I just want to move over. Sorry, Matt. Without getting knocked over. It is mud flood without a doubt. Buried levels. If I just swing round slightly there, you've got the Grand Hotel. That's the same. It's a pre-reset building. It has a lot of metalwork still on the top there. It actually has four corners to this place. Four corners with your four towers and your four bits of metalwork around the top, garden fences. So I'll just have a quick walk around and see what it's like around the side here. I mean, there's quite a bit of detail. Quite sized heads as well. One there, and is made over there. That is the date there. You know, 1897. But I'd bring that date into question. Just have a wander around the side a bit. Splendid antenna up there. Manhole covers. I'm not sure if there's out to sea really around the side. There's quite a bit of new build here. I'll just switch off and see around the side. Lovely side view on now. Massive amount of technology going on up there. How it all works and what it actually did, no idea. But just because I don't know the full workings of it, you know, it doesn't mean I have to accept the lies that we told about these buildings. It's strange, this is bloody big new block built here. No windows in it or nothing. Not that much to see, really. Only you have your little towers either side, just like the big two on the front I've just pointed out. And there will have been something sat on the top of there as well, I would think. But just a little one that I thought I'd put in. I'm going to wander past this down the road a little bit and pick you up, because there's a lovely hotel down here as well. Right, just before I move off down the road, I didn't notice these first time around. I was trying to catch them out of the sun. Strange gargoyles, or critters, or grotesques I think they're called. Don't go any further forward because the sun's that bright, it'll just blast it away. Right, I'll move on a bit further, might be able to see the ones on the other side. Right, just moved round a little bit, and no expense spared again. On this tower, it's the same. Critters adorning the place. The light's a bit shitty for this, but never mind. Right, we'll head off down the road and have a look at that place. I've just moved along a bit to capture this beautiful building. It's the Grand Hotel, but again it's one of those buildings that's it's a pre-reset mud flood building. It has buried levels, it has low levels that once used to opened up on the street, but now you've got 10 foot of street in the way. But beautiful details. I'm not sure if it's still used as a hotel, but from the mud flood aspect, we'll have a wander over the street and I'll show you what I mean. Because if you look down here, you'll see them doors and windows. Now them doors and windows down there used to open up straight onto the street, and now where I'm stood there's 10 foot of mud in the way, 10 foot of earth. Now I'm not going to go over there because it's there's a club, it's not a club, I don't know what it used to be, or leisure club on there. That's another very old building. Pre-reset red brick buildings, you know, from a, like I keep saying, a town pride of the Victorian dates. I'm not sure what they're doing with that. I think it's still used as a hotel, Best Western. But you can have a look down from this angle now. You know, that's it's quite the depth for mud flood. And this is all the way around the building. That building is exactly the same, but everything's fenced off. It's, you know, pretty dangerous. But that's been empty and derelict since I was a kid. I'll just move around a tiny bit further. And you can see once again, it's not quite as deep, but these are windows on this one here, full size windows like the ones above here. Now have all this mud in the way. So I'll move around a bit and see what I see on the other side. It gets a bit busy around here, we're coming out on the main road now, but I'll just shut off till we get over the other side. I've just moved around a bit now. And it gives you a much better view. There's actually decking down there, so God knows what's below that. And this doorway the steps going up, you know, that's a later addition to the building. It's not part of the original build. It's when they repurposed these buildings rather than fill in these moats. They just put a simple bridge over into the building. So I'll try and get over the other side of the road and just show you a bit of the front of the building. Right, I've just stepped away from the building a bit here, over the other side of the road. Give it a better view. You know, on all four corners you have these towers. You have your windows in your towers. You have your metalwork around the top. And the sort of tower up there, God knows what that's original use was, but it's not used now, clearly. So there's not a great deal more to see about this building. Just run you back along the top. Beautiful place it is. We'll catch you on another one. Bye for now.